Want to live your best life in 2025? Here are the top 5 most livable cities in the world. Number 5. Geneva, Switzerland. International institutions, world-class healthcare, and rich culture. Geneva has it all. Number 4. Melbourne, Australia. Artsy vibes, amazing public services, and cultural diversity make it a favorite for expats. Number 3. Zurich, Switzerland. Top-tier healthcare, education, and financial stability. Living here is luxury meets comfort. Number 2. Vienna, Austria. Rich culture, amazing healthcare, and flawless infrastructure. No wonder it was number 1 for 3 years straight. Number 1. Copenhagen, Denmark. Perfect scores in stability, education, and infrastructure. This city is literally a dream to live in. Would you move to one of these cities? Comment below and subscribe.